Hello, culinary enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a gastronomic adventure. Today, we're whipping up an irresistible fried rice dish. So, let's dive in. The first ingredient we need is chicken breast. This is the perfect base for our dish. Chop it up into small pieces and set it aside for now. Moving on, we've got the fresh aromatic scallions. Chop them up and set them aside too. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the rice. Grab a pot, heat up some oil, and start cooking your rice using that hot oil. This is key as it gives our fried rice that crispy texture we all love. Next up, we have our aromatic spices. Toss in some garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and pepper into a mixer jar. Give it a good blend until everything is nicely combined. Once that's done, add in your chicken and scallions to the mixer jar as well. Give it another whirl until everything is thoroughly mixed together. Now comes the fun part. In a separate pan, heat up some oil on high heat and pour in your rice alongside a dash of soy sauce and sesame oil for that extra kick of flavor. Let it sizzle away until it's crispy and golden brown. Alternatively, you can prepare it this way. Kick things off by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add your washed rice and stir continuously for 30 seconds. This ensures that each grain gets coated with oil, giving your fried rice a delightful flavor. Then add 1 cup of water and bring everything to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare our special fried rice seasoning. Mix together soy sauce, sesame oil, Chinese cooking wine or regular one if you don't have the former, sugar, white pepper powder, and 1 star anise at the base of your wok. Now, you might be wondering about the star anise. Its unique aroma adds a special touch to our dish. Once your rice is cooked and cooled down a bit, pour it into the wok with some butter or vegetable oil to prevent clumping. Add your preferred ingredients to create your perfect fried rice flavor combinations. Bacon or sausage for smoky bacon flavor. Scrambled eggs for a creamy texture. Shrimp or other seafood for extra protein. Bell peppers or other vegetables for added crunch. Green onions or other herbs for color and freshness. Sun-dried tomatoes for tangy sweetness. Or mushrooms for mommy goodness. Remember to stir continuously until everything is evenly mixed. Finally, drizzle in our prepared seasoning and give it a good stir until well combined. Voila! Your delectable fried rice is ready to be served. Subscribe, thanks! And there you have it. Your very own homemade fried rice masterpiece is ready to be savored and enjoyed by all. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey today. If you like this recipe and want more tasty treats like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!